Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Chime in 2025. So here is the first step that meet the playthrough requirement. Prizepicks requires you to play through any deposited funds at least 1x before you can withdraw. For example, deposit $20, you must wager $20 in lineup before you can cash out. Now, step 2 is add Chime as a payment method. Open the Prizepicks app or the website, then go to settings, then you can find the payment methods or via the withdrawal menu. If Chime doesn't appear directly, choose add bank account. Then enter your Chime ACH information like account and routing number, not your debit card data. Optionally, you can withdraw first to PayPal, then transfer instantly into Chime. Some users find this easier. Now, step 3 is request withdrawal. Navigate to the request withdrawal in the menu. So in application, you can find the 3 horizontal line button at the top left corner. Now from here, enter the amount, the minimum $10 or 10 USD, and select Chime via bank account or debit card if supported. Prizepicks will send a one-time password to your email. Enter it to confirm the authentication. Then step 4, wait for processing. Instant withdrawals are possible. Many users report funds hitting Chime within minutes if your account is already verified. For new users, the first withdrawal may take 6 to 12 hours due to security review. Regular withdrawals typically processes in up to 5 business days, so if tax forms are required, it might extend to 10 days. Now here is some troubleshooting tips for you. Ensure you have entered correct ACH account and routing numbers. Don't use your card number or CVV instead of ACH information. If Chime doesn't show up, add a PayPal account, link it to Chime and withdraw via PayPal, then transfer it to your Chime account. Then only use payment methods that you have used previously for deposit. If issue arise, double check the ACH details. Contact Prizepicks supports or use live chat in application. If using PayPal, ensure it's linked to your Chime. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.